How to make a slow motion video using your YouCut video editor application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily make a slow motion video using your YouCut application. So first thing, make sure you have successfully downloaded and installed this YouCut application, which is available for free on Google Play Store. So once you're inside here, just tap on plus icon and you can just create your new project and simply select on any of your video. And once you're inside here, so let's say I want to make this video in a slow-mo, which is a pretty fast video. So what I can do is, it's pretty simple. So simply select a video, and from over here you don't get any option like slow-mo the video, but you'll get the option called speed. So from here you can dynamically change your video speed to 0.5 like this, and simply select right button. You can also modify it accordingly. So just like that, you have successfully converted your video into slow motion video using CapCut. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.